Today we are going to start topic isotopes of class 9th chapter 4 structure of atom. So isotope, before this students you must know what is an element. An element is a pure substance which is made up of same kind of atoms. Okay, an element which has same atoms, but in most of the elements all the atoms are not identical in all respect. They may have, like, the atom of same element can have same protons but different neutrons. Clear? In the elements all the atoms are not identical in all respect. They have same protons in nuclei but different neutrons. So the atoms which have same number of protons and different number of neutrons, they will have same atomic number, and due to presence of different number of neutrons they have different mass. So this is known as isotope. What are isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of same element have same atomic number but different mass number. That is known as an isotope. We have different examples of isotope, like carbon. Isotope of carbon are so these are the three different isotopes of carbon. They all have same number of protons, means the same number of atomic number, and they have different number of mass because they have different number of neutrons. Another example we can take hydrogen, same atomic number but different mass number. The definition of isotope: atoms of same element have same atomic number but different mass number. Now characteristics of isotopes. So what are the different characteristics of isotope? The first one, they have same number of protons. Second, they have same number of electrons. Next, they have different number of neutrons. Because of the same number of protons they have same atomic number, and because of different number of neutrons they have different mass number. Another property, the isotopes, they have different physical properties. Different physical properties are due to different mass, and physical properties like their density is different, because density depends on mass. Density is equal to mass over volume. So if mass will be more, the density will be more. If mass will be less, the density will be less. So if they have the different mass, so their physical property, their density will be different. And the last characteristic of isotope is isotopes have same chemical properties. Now the question arises, why do isotopes have same chemical properties? So isotopes have same chemical properties due to same number of electrons. So due to presence of same number of electrons, the isotopes, they have same chemical properties.